Welcome, dear student. I am B.V. Patil. My school name is Uttur Vidyalaya Uttur. Today we discuss about standard 10th. Subject Maths Part 2nd. Chapter 1st. Chapter name is Similarity. Today we discuss about three parallel lines and their transversals. Dear student, today we discuss about property of three parallel lines and their transversals. Theorem: the ratio of the intercepts made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. This theorem today we discuss shortly. Here three parallel lines are essential. First line draw here, then another second line draw parallel, and third line also draw parallel. Line L, line M and line N. These three lines are parallel. Then one transversal we draw here, that is transversal T1, and that transversal intersect line L in point A. For line M, that transversal intersect in point B, and for line N, that transversal intersect in point C. Then another transversal we draw here, and that transversal is T2. That T2 line intersect line L in point P. That transversal intersect line M in point Q, and that transversal intersect line N in point R. Three lines are parallel: line L, parallel line M, parallel line N. These three lines are parallel, and therefore if three lines are parallel, then we can use here theorem, property of three parallel lines and their transversals. Therefore, by property of three parallel lines and their transversals, by that property, what we write here, that is the ratio. Ratio means division of the intercepts. Intercepts we see here made on a transversal by three parallel lines. Here first transversal is tail here, that is T1, and three parallel lines made intercepts. Which are the intercepts? That is first intercept is segment AB, and second intercept is segment BC. These two intercepts, and we want here ratio, means tail here, that is AB divided by second intercept is BC, is equal to, here in theorem tail here is equal to the ratio means division. The corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal. Another transversal is T2, and on transversal T2 we get intercepts. Which are the intercepts made by three parallel lines L, M, N? First intercept is PQ and second intercept is QR, and their ratio means division. What we write here? That is PQ divided by another intercept is QR. When we use this property, if three lines are parallel, then we can use here this property. By this property, what we write? For first transversal, we get two intercepts, then take ratio of these two intercepts, that is AB divided by BC, is equal to another transversal is T2, and we get here two intercepts, then take their ratio, that is PQ divided by QR. Then we see here application. Here first line we draw here, then parallel line we draw here, and third line also we draw parallel, then one transversal we draw here. That transversal's name is L. That transversal intersect first line in A, for second line in B, and for third line in C. That transversal intersect three lines in A, B and C points. Then we draw here another transversal. Its name is line M. That line M intersects three parallel line in point X, Y and Z respectively. Which are the three lines? Tell here. Name. That is line AX parallel line BY parallel line CZ. Therefore, by property of three parallel lines and their transversals, why we can use this property? Because three lines are parallel. By that property, what we write? For first transversal means for line L, we get two intercepts. Tell the intercepts name. First is AB and second is BC, and we write their ratio means AB divided by second intercept is BC is equal to, for second transversal we get two intercepts. Name the intercepts. That is first intercept is XY and second intercept is YZ. That is tell their ratio means XY divided by another intercept is YZ. In this way we can write conclusion. If three lines are parallel, then we can use this property, and by that property, for first transversal we get two intercepts, then write their ratio means AB divided by BC, and for second transversal we get two intercepts and we write their ratio, means xy divided by yz. In this way we can write conclusion. Then one example we see here. Trapezium is given. Trapezium A, B, C and D. Side AB parallel. Here one segment is parallel to side AB and that segment parallel to side also DC. Here that segment intersect AD in point P and that segment intersect segment BC in point Q. Here side AB parallel side PQ parallel side DC. Then AP value 15, PD value 12, BQ is the asking question and QC is 14. Asking question is find AB. In solution, what we write here, that is three sides, three segments are parallel. Side AB parallel side PQ parallel side DC. Segment AB, segment PQ and segment DC are parallel, that is three lines are parallel. Therefore, which theorem we can use here? That is by property of three parallel lines and their transversals. By that property, what we write conclusion? Here AB, PQ and DC are parallel lines, and take first transversal. Which is the first transversal? That is transversal AD, and we get two intercepts. Which are the intercepts? That is AP divided by PD, and tell their ratio, means AP divided by PD is equal to, for that three parallel lines, second transversal. Which transversal we take here? That is BC, and we get two intercepts. Which are them? That is BQ and QC. Tell their ratio, means BQ divided by QC. Therefore, substitute values. Value of AP is 15 divided by, tell the value of PD, that is 12, is equal to, BQ is the asking question, divided by, tell the value of QC, that is 14. Therefore, next step is, what is the next step? That is cross multiplication, means tell the next step, that is 15 into 14 is equal to 12 into BQ. Therefore, multiplication is 210 is equal to BQ into 12 remaining. Therefore, next step tell here, that is 12 multiply, taking on LHS side it becomes divide, means 210 divided by this 12 multiply, taking on LHS side, it becomes divide is equal to which term remaining, that is BQ. Therefore 12 divide here, after dividing what we get, that is 17.5 is equal to BQ, means changing side we get BQ is equal to 17.5. In this way we can solve this example. In that example, trapezium is given and there are 3 lines are parallel, and 3 lines are parallel, then we can use here this property, that is property of 3 parallel lines and their transversal. By that property we write conclusion and substitute values and solve, we get answer. In this way we can solve this example. Thank you. Dear student, you like my video, then please give like to video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon. Thank you.